It's been said that little things can mean a lot, and when a lot of people come together to do a bunch of little things, they can really make a difference. Such is the case this morning. I'm rolling with the folks from the SoftRoaders Minnesota Facebook page for some fun on the trails and then some toy shopping. When we're done in the dirt, we're going to be dropping off some gifts for Toys for Tots and just trying to do our little part to help make sure every kid has a gift to open this holiday. So stick around, the weather's great and it's going to be a fun morning. With finally having a free Saturday, I was glad to have a chance to meet up with the SoftRoaders and be part of their annual holiday outing. A quick count revealed 21 of us came out for the morning, and after a brief driver's meeting, we headed out towards the Carlos Avery Wildlife Management Area. This is the first time I've joined the group for a day on the trails, and it was long overdue. So what exactly is the SoftRoaders Minnesota group? I'll let the founder Vu Lee tell you himself, and why Toys for Tots is an important charity for this Minnesota off-roading group to support.
SoftRoad Minnesota came out of actually Texas, where there's the main group that's down there, and it's a group of off-roaders that is made up of diverse vehicles, whether it's Hondas, Toyotas, even Prius, and Jeeps, and so it's a variety of vehicles that will be able to come out and share the passion of off-roading together. Today was our 4th annual Toys for Tots drive, and so what we want to do is, even though we like to have our modified vehicles and spend a lot of money on our cars, but we also want to be conscious of our community and how we can be able to give back. And so we go and we buy the toys and we do our little run. We meet up at a gas station, and then we go around Carlos Avery, which is a wildlife preserve. And from there we go to Fleet Farm, we buy the toys, and then we met up here at the Roseville Police Department, and we distribute the toys to them, and then they can distribute to our community. To those that maybe may not be able to afford it, or if they can afford it, but that will help alleviate some of the financial difficulties that they have in their family.
We got a nice little drive going through the southern section of Carlos Avery. Again, there's about 21 vehicles, which is pretty cool. I was hoping for some snowier conditions, but the last weekend of November is offering 50-degree temperatures, so I would not pass that up at all. So it's a very nice day today. But some snow would have been nice too. It would have been kind of fun. So if you drive through here, you'll see some trucks that are pulled over. It is hunting and trapping season out here, so be mindful of that. And we are, so that's good. But what a great, beautiful sunny morning. So we just finished up doing a loop on the southern half of Carlos Avery, and now we are on the north half. Earlier this year, midsummer I suppose, I did a drive out here with my brother-in-law, so if you get a chance to check that out, it was pretty cool. It is such a neat area back here, and it's so close to the city, so if you get a chance to come out, do it. It's really a neat place. Carlos Avery is a great place to get your feet wet if you're new to off-pavement exploring. Nothing technical here, but you'll usually find a bit of water and mud to roll through. It's where I went when I picked up my first adventure motorcycle. But it's the scenery and wildlife that make Carlos Avery such a special place to visit, especially since it's just a short drive north of the Twin Cities. Migrating birds, turkeys, deer, and all kinds of critters make this a fun place to check out, take photos, and just kick back, anytime throughout the year. Sometimes certain areas and roads are closed, so be sure to check out the Carlos Avery DNR webpage before you arrive. Alright, we just finished up doing the North Loop in Carlos Avery, and we're headed south to pick up some toys.
There's so many folks in our community and our extended, community in the Minneapolis-St. Paul, Roseville suburban area that really could use some help over the holidays. So organizations like yours, churches, partnerships that we've had for many years and that we continue to try to build on are a huge part of this program. And we're so excited to be part of it, and we're so thankful that you reached out to us. So thank you again for organizing this. Thank you for bringing so many toys. This is going to be huge for our community and for families that could use some extra help this holiday season. Really appreciate it. Thanks a lot.
Thank you very much.
I want to thank Vu for putting the event together, and it was really nice to meet some new folks. It's pretty cool that we can all come together to show our support for local kids and try to make their holiday just a little bit brighter. Be sure to check out the SoftRoaders Minnesota Facebook page if you're interested in light off-roading, overlanding, and exploring the dirt and mud of Minnesota and the upper Midwest. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. A subscribe would be great too. I'm zooming in on 500 subs, and I appreciate all your support. As winter rolls in, be sure to still get out there and explore, and I'll see you all down the road.